7.5, 3.2 to 100. Not bad. Not bad. Och ja, 10,9, 0 till 200, 0 till 103,3. Ja, det är 0,1 tappar på att ha passagerare.
Ja, ja, det är ju... Jag är inte världens lättaste, det är ändå 80. Ja, jag är 85 kilo ungefär, så att ja.
Nej, det påverkar ju faktiskt, det får man ju säga. Wow. What a brutal monster. You just want to wait for a like Lamborghini Urus or I don't know Huracan, but regular Huracan, not Performante. But something exotic, just to put everything in place, because this is a brutal maniac monster car, and in this color it's just perfect. It's a fire breathing brutal maniac of a car, which in this, it's not sparkling sapphire, but it's jumping blue. No, it's I'm so tired now, I forgot, because I've been driving for like 20 hours in a row. But what a beast of a car, crazy. Gucci, why not? Long wheelbase, why not? 993, why not? Okay, final run. Maybe 10.4 again, 3.2 to 100. So 3 degrees heat, I managed to do 10.4, 0 to 200. The M5 competition, 3.2, 0 to 200 all day. That's just spectacular. I mean, if it's a bit cooler, I think it would do. I mean, maybe 10 flat, 0 to 200. What a brutal monster. Some bugs have been killed. Some fans are on. But I think acceleration wise this car is crazy. I mean, what's the temperature? -22.5 degrees Celsius. And this is totally correct color for this car. I mean, it's a really sporty color. Have a look. Maybe we should let the heat dissipate from the engine. I mean, it's a stock car. How could it do 10.4, 0 to 200 in this heat? That's just super impressive. And I wonder how, with some little cooler weather, I think it's really be able to do sub-0 10 seconds, 0 to 200. It's just crazy. Made in Germany.